Hi, myself Siva Umar, Business Development Manager of Networkz Systems for the last 11 years. Networkz Systems mainly for filling the skill gap between students and industry. For the last 40 years, our students have placed in their core fields. Many of students are working in MNC like Infosys, UST Global, Wipro, HSL and so on. We are delivering the quality job-oriented training. Networkz Systems always ready to provide any kind of advanced IT training program. For any IT training requirement, kindly contact our nearest branch. We are having three branches at Trivandrum, Ayurveda College, Vendro Junction, Neytingara, Kollam, Tiruvalla, Ernakulam, and Nargovil. Our head office is located at Trivandrum, Ayurveda College.